If you're looking for remote jobs in the UK, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share some of the secrets of landing a remote job in the United Kingdom. I'm going to discuss some of the best websites and some of the top companies that are always looking to hire remote workers or are always looking to hire work from home jobs right now. Finding companies that embrace remote work is absolutely key. And here are a few UK-based companies that are known for their remote-friendly policies. Starting off, we've got Moneybox. Moneybox is a London-based fintech company that helps users save and invest through user-friendly apps. Now, they've got a few really great remote roles. They offer hybrid roles such as a CASS junior associate position, which involves 2 days in the London office and 3 days working from home. The salary is going to be a little bit on the higher end, likely between 75 to 100K. And you can actually go to their career page, and I'll leave a link below on how you can actually apply. Now, there's so many great companies, and again, some of them are gonna have hybrid structures where you need to go into the office. So a few days out of the week, you can live on the outskirts of London, you can commute once or twice a week, go into the office, get some FaceTime, and then start making money online. Some of these companies are going to be fully remote where you don't have to go in the office at all. One company in the UK right now that's hiring remote workers is called Reedsy. Reedsy is a marketplace connecting authors with publishing professionals. They operate fully remotely, allowing the team members to work from anywhere, not just in the UK. They're frequently hiring positions like content marketing intern, UX UI designer, and senior Ruby engineer. Now, these salaries are really going to vary, but they're going to range from anywhere from the lower ends, from $12,000 to $24,000 for an internship, and $60,000 to $100,000. And sorry, when I say dollars, I mean pounds. And so you can actually find some really great roles for on the low end, middle end, or high end. Now, no matter what your experience is, check out Reedsy to see if they've got a position open for you. Are you tired of juggling 30 different software tools just to keep your business running? Well, I was in the same boat, so I deleted everything and found an all-in-one solution that helped me save more than $1,000 per month. There's a much better way out there, and you can actually get started for free today. It's called High Level, one platform that has every tool in total control. It essentially replaces your CRM, funnel builder, email system, social media scheduler, calendar scheduling, marketing automation, and so much more. Even better, you can white label it, sell to your clients as your own software, and keep 100% of the profit. There's no extra user fees ever, and you can start a free trial today before it's gone. Scan the QR code on the screen or just click the link in the description to see why millions of businesses are switching to High Level. Now, if you're in the UK and looking for another great remote work company, this one's for you. HealthHero is actually Europe's largest digital telehealth platform, providing remote access to healthcare services. They offer various remote positions, including mental health nurse for ADHD assessments and EAP affiliate counselors. Now, the salaries are going to range from mental health nurse offering around £37,000 per year all the way up to £52,000 per year. But they've got a lot of great positions, and I'll leave a link below to their career page so you can check out the vacancies that are open right now. Now, if you're in the UK and you want to be able to work for a company anywhere in the world, this is going to be a good company for you. WiFi Tribe is a global community of remote professionals who travel together while working together. They hire for roles like executive assistant and community growth marketer, which are all fully remote. The salary ranges are going to start at the bottom end around $24,000, go all the way up to $70,000. And I'll leave a link below on their job page. Now, if you're in the UK, probably the first thing I would recommend is sometimes the salaries can be a little bit low. So if you want to increase your salary range, have a fully remote company that hires you, I would start actually accessing some of the US job boards or trying to find a hybrid approach. Maybe half your time is applying for remote jobs only in the UK, and the other half is applying to US companies where you know you can actually get a higher salary, but still live in the UK or anywhere in the world. You might have to have some overlap with the US, but in general, it's not that big of a difference. So you can really increase your earning potential while still maintaining your freedom to work from anywhere and decide wherever you want to live. Now, if those companies weren't interesting for you, I've got some really great options of websites that are always looking to hire remote workers and have remote jobs for UK citizens. So one of my favorite job boards that's open to anybody, and especially for UK and US citizens, is dynamitejobs.com. Dynamite Jobs offers a wide range of remote jobs across various industries, and essentially they're small to mid-sized companies and startups that are looking to hire fully remote workers. The great thing about Dynamite Jobs is not that many people know about it, so the jobs and companies on there are a lot smaller, meaning instead of competing against thousands and thousands of applicants, you might only be going up against 10, 20, or even 50 different people, so your chances and odds are going to be a lot higher. You're going to have a lot more flexibility, but at the end of the day, you're going to have a good salary and you're going to have a really big impact on this company's potential. And guys, if you learned something new there, you're going to love this next part. I've partnered up with Amazon's Audible to give you a free copy of my #1 best-selling book, Global Career: How to Work Anywhere and Travel Forever. Global Career has been featured in prestigious publications like Forbes, CNBC, Entrepreneur Magazine, and even Lonely Planet. And with over 500 positive reviews, this book has helped hundreds of thousands earn from anywhere. To get your free copy and start a 30-day free trial of Audible, all you have to do is visit globalcareerbook.com/audio today, or just scan the QR code on the screen here. The next job website I discovered is hiring.cafe. This is a really cool company that is going to be aggregating thousands and thousands of jobs all around the world. You can put in your exact location and you can sort with some really great figures and filters to figure out the exact salary data, positions, and all these other things that come when you're looking for a remote job. So hiring.cafe is a really great place to start if you're looking for remote jobs in the UK. Now, did you know that the UK actually has an official website that's government run for finding remote jobs? It's called Find a Job DWP, and it's the UK's official job portal, which includes remote job listings all across different sectors. Now, I'll make sure to leave an exact link to this below, but you're going to want to check out a few of these other job resources because it's pretty limited on the official website. Last but certainly not least is my own website, globalcareer.io. We specialize in non-technical, high-paid remote jobs, and I'll leave a link below in the description where you can go ahead and access all the current openings. And we've helped thousands and thousands of people get started from earning from anywhere and finding their first remote job. So before we wrap up here, finding a remote job is just step one. Actually landing it is the hard part and where most people struggle. Most people just don't have a good CV, so that is the first place to start. But a lot of times you need to get some feedback from experts in a certain industry. The few biggest mistakes I see is that you're not tailoring your resume for the actual job. You're not actually focusing on the outcomes you've achieved. You're focusing on the job description of what you did. And then last but not least, you're just not doing enough volume to actually make sure that your application is getting to the top. This is going to come into applicant tracking systems and keyword optimizing your CV. Now, I made a whole video on this and I'll try to link that here. Now, if you like this video and you want to hear more, make sure to hit the subscribe button about new videos every single week about how to earn from anywhere.